So today I'm going to talk about my brand new electric bike. You can see it's Lumala, and you can see the control panel of the bike. I got this cool lights for a few dollars, and you can see this big motor. I'm just charging it, so I'm gonna turn it on for you. You can see it has 3 powers, and there are 3 modes. It's low, mid and high. So I'm gonna show how this turns. Wait a second, it's so hard to so you can see it's turning very good, and this is not very much expensive. This is like, I got it for like $1,100, and it's all. Bye, thank you.